Want to look fresh and confident without wearing makeup? Let's talk about how to get a clear, healthy glow naturally. Whether you're going to school, meeting friends, or just want to feel good every day, these simple tips can help you look neat, fresh, and confident. From clear skin and soft lips to shiny hair and confident vibes. Here's everything you need to look effortlessly flawless. Let's get started. Number 1. Clear and glowing skin. Healthy skin is the base of a fresh look. Wash your face twice a day using a gentle cleanser to remove sweat, oil, and dirt. After cleansing, you can use a light toner if you like, but it's totally optional. Apply a simple moisturizer that suits your skin type. If your skin feels oily, choose a lightweight gel. If it feels dry, use a creamier moisturizer. During the day, always use sunscreen when going outside. Sun protection helps keep your skin healthy in the long run. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and that's completely normal. Drink water and stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the easiest ways to support healthy skin. Try to drink water regularly throughout the day. You can also eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. If your skin feels dry, you can use a facial mist for a quick refresh, especially in hot weather or air-conditioned rooms. At night, getting proper rest helps your skin recover naturally. Natural and neat eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face, even without makeup. Keep your brows close to their natural shape. Only remove stray hairs if needed. No overplucking. Brush them gently using a clean spoolie or clear brow gel to keep them neat and tidy. Natural brows always look best. Soft and healthy lips. Soft lips make your face look fresh. Exfoliate your lips once a week using a gentle scrub to remove dry skin. After that, apply a moisturizing lip balm. At night, you can use a thicker lip balm or lip mask so your lips stay hydrated while you sleep. Bright, fresh eyes. Bright, youthful eyes complete your fresh look. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep to avoid dark circles and puffiness. In the morning, use cold spoons or chilled eye patches to reduce puffiness. Curl your lashes to open up your eyes and use a clear mascara for a natural, defined look. Healthy, shiny hair. Healthy, glossy hair pulls the whole look together. Use a nourishing shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Treat your hair once a week with a deep conditioning mask or oil treatment for extra softness and shine. Avoid too much heat styling, but if you do use heat tools, always apply a heat protectant. For styling, keep it simple. Whether you like it straight and sleek or soft and wavy, healthy hair is the goal. Number 7. Body care and healthy habits. Remember, you don't have to look perfect to glow. A lot of people keep fit with dance workouts or Pilates. They're fun and help tone your body without stress. Dance to your favorite songs or try a quick Pilates routine at home. Focus on a balanced diet with healthy, nourishing foods. No need for extreme diets. Your skin, hair, and energy will thank you. Number 8. Simple, cute outfits. To complete the look, keep your style clean and comfy. Go for minimalist outfits like high-waisted jeans, simple tees, or pastel tops. Add layers with lightweight jackets, vests, or oversized cardigans for a chill vibe. Accessorize with delicate jewelry, simple necklaces, stackable rings, and finish with trendy shoes like chunky sneakers, platform shoes, or cute ankle boots. Final tips. Smile with confidence. Nothing makes you shine more than good energy. Eat healthy, drink lots of water, and practice good posture to look polished and poised. And that's it. You don't need makeup to glow. Taking care of yourself, being kind to your body, and feeling confident is what truly matters. Everyone grows at their own pace, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple glow-up tips made just for teens. Until next time, stay confident, stay healthy, and keep being you.